Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So, students, here you can see the three fruits are there 1, 2, and 3. First one is apple, second one is banana, third one is guava. Okay, now this is apple, this is guava, and in between, which fruit is there? This is banana. Yes, banana is in between these two fruits, apple and guava. Okay, in between means beech mein. Now today we are going to learn in the notebook what comes in between of two-digit number. Now here on the top you will write the date 24th of August 2021. Here you will write the heading what comes in between, and this side you will write CWS classwork. Now leave one line here, students, and write the numbers 1, 0, 10. Then leave one line again, write 25. Then leave one line, write 33. Then leave one line, write 44. Then 19. Then 30. Then 21. Then 42. Now like this you will leave the line and write the numbers, and here you will make the rectangle boxes like this. Okay, after that you have to leave one line again and write the numbers here 1 to 12, 2 7 27, 3 5 35, 5 0 50, 2 1 21, 3 2 32, 2 3 30 23, and the last number is 4 4 44. Now in between means beech mein. Now here you can see this is a number line. Okay, and on the number line you can see the numbers are written here starting from 0 to 50. Okay, so many numbers are there 0 to 50. The first number you can see here, that is 10, and in between you can see one number is missing, and this is number 12. So we have to find out on the number line where is number 10. Here it is. Okay, where is number 12? Here it is. This is number 10 and here it is 12. So we will go forward towards number 12, and in between you can see number 11 is there. So we will write here number 11 in this square box like this. The next number is number 25. One number is missing here. Okay, here you can see number 27. So we have to find out where is number 25 on the number line. Here it is. Where is 27? Here it is. So this is 25. We will go forward 27 to 27. Okay, till 27. In between you can see 26 is there. So we will write here 26. In between means बीच में, दो नंबर्स के बीच में जो नंबर आता है वो नंबर हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है with the help of number line. You can make the number line like this. Okay, now this is number 33, and here you can see one number is missing. This is number 35. So we have to find out where is number 33 on the number line. Here it is, and this is number 35. We have to go forward towards number 35, and in between you can see number 34 is there. So we will write here 34. The next number you can see here, that is 48, and one number is missing here, and you can see 50. So we have to find out where is number 48 on the number line. Here it is. We have to count forward till 50. Okay, we have to go forward towards 50. So in between you can see 49 is there. So we will write here 49. In between 48 and 50 you can see 49 is there. The next number you can see 19, and in between you can see one number is missing. बीच में एक नंबर मिसिंग है and the another number is 21. So we have to find out where is number 19. Yes, here it is. And where is number 21? We have to go forward towards number 21, and in between you can see number 20. So we will write here number 20. The next number you can see here, that is 30. In between you can see one number is missing, and this is 32. Now we have to find out where is number 30 on the number line. Here it is, and we have to go forward towards number 32. Okay, we have to go forward. Now in between you can see 31. So we will write here 31. The next number is number 21. One number is missing here, and this is number 23. So where is number 21? Yes, here it is, and this is 23. We have to count forward, and in between you can see 22 is there. So we will write here 22. The last number you can see here, that is 42. In between one number is missing. This is 44. So we have to find out where is 42 on the number line. Here it is, and here it is 44. So this is 42. We have to go forward towards 44. In between you can see 43 is there. So we will write 43. So students, in this way you will complete what comes in between, okay, of 2-digit number. You can make a number line like this, okay. With the help of number line you can do what comes in between. Okay students, bye bye and take care of yourself.